All right, there's the cartload of gravel. Some got used, most of it didn't. And here we have a couple of beds for newbies. There's the spigot that's gonna feed it. And there, yeah, dig, 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 dig. Trash. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, diggy, dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, dig, dig.
Here's the digger.
We'll kind of go over there and decided, nope, we're going straight. Yeah, we had to wire some mistakes that I made. Dig, dig, dig. Now there's a cross, and down there and north goes the main pipe, and this one is dig, 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 dig. Oh look, a joint. Dig, 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 dig. We haven't thrown dirt back in yet. Huh. There's the greenhouse. We got everything from onions, peppers. We got dragon fruit over there. Another little dragon fruit. We got different kinds of dragon fruit. Who knew there were different kinds of dragon fruit? And some more peppers. The little beds in white, those are more peppers. We've got the ones from Avery Island. We got a bunch of those. Lemons. We've got another fig. We've got a bunch of fig cuttings. Back in the big white thing, that's onions. Big black pot, that's another, looks like a lemon or a lime. I can't tell from here. And a variegated, man, it's another fig tree. And we've got heat lamps because it's going to go below freezing tonight. Probably the last time for this cycle. And with our luck, what'll happen is it'll freeze again anyway. And there's Blue. He's covering up the trench. Digger. Can you dig it? I'm gonna say it. Digger, digger, digger.
That's right. I'm the digger.
He did not dig all of this trench.
I paid to have it done.
Yeah, exactly. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Used to have that stub. Used to be a spigot. Got rid of it
2 years ago, and we couldn't find it.
Yeah, it would have been so easy if we just found that spot, but no. So now you're a pilot. Pick it up here, pilot over there. We found all kinds of neat stuff in there. Hey, what are you putting that back in?
That's where it came from.
Yeah, we found a piece of plastic gutter. That bit of pipe on the ground over there, we dug that out, and some of the wire. Ugh. And here's what this set us back. It's nicely sheared. But not only was it sheared, if you can see the cuts from being dug upon, can you dig it? Yeah, it had to get fixed. And that's a spike coming off the hot wire. It's fixed. It's not pretty, but it's done. All right. And we have to get some dirt on top of the pipe because it's going to freeze tonight. And we don't want cold water for showers. At least the boss lady, she don't. Mama Bear don't like cold showers. Okay. And he'll hit me. But I just noticed a pair of pliers on the ground. Good thing I didn't lose it. Well, I'd have gotten yelled at.
My yelling days are over. What?
He still yells. Just not as much. All right. Hey, Blue.
Yes,
Why is your nickname Blue?
those are my eyes.
Show me your eyes. Take your hat off for just a moment here. That is blue eyes. How many people have tattooed eyes that you know of? How cool is that? All right. Y'all take care. I'll be back.